source of energy.
Hi, I'm Caleb, and Lafika, Brandy and I are doing reflection. I'll pass you on to Lafika to learn about concave and convex mirrors.
A concave mirror is a mirror bent inwards and upside down and far away and upright but closer. A convex mirror is a mirror that is bent outward and is upright all the time and flattens your reflection when close.
For shapes, you have one line and two mirrors. When you put it closer, you have more reflections. Using this example, we make shapes of squares, pentagons, octagons, triangles. And for the 20% challenge, when it goes closer, you more reflections when you go farther apart, same as the shapes. Now I'll pass on to Caleb. For the infinite object, you have two mirrors that are parallel and an object in the middle. Because of the reflection, it multiplies the object if you look inside the mirrors. It's a trick also used by supermarkets, often found in the dairy aisle. If you look in, you can see thousands upon thousands of milk bottles and butter.
Hi, my name is Patrick and we are in Mr. Coyle's class. We are doing refraction with Kieran, Ethan and Donica. If you put a pen into a bucket of water, it gets bigger.
We put a ruler into a jug of water. When it turns diagonal because of refraction of light.
When we put the coins into the water, it gets wider because of the refraction.
When we put a book beside a jug of water, we looked through the jug of water and we looked at the book. The letters on the book were larger because of the refraction.
During science week, we learned about mirror images. If you stand in front of a mirror and raise your right hand, your reflection will raise its left hand.
Mirror images are formed by the reflection of a mirror. When you do this, the letters get flipped.
The letters that don't change in a mirrored image are A, H, I, M, O, T, V, W, and X.
Here are a few examples of mirror images. Checkbook, booked, and choice. This week we made periscopes. My name is Casper. This is Arun, Alex, and Michael.
This is a diagram of the periscope we made.
To make a periscope, we first cut a hole at the bottom. We next cut a hole in the side to place a mirror in the side at a 45-degree angle. Next, at the top we cut another hole at a 45-degree angle parallel to the bottom one, and then another hole here so we can see out of the periscope.
How it works. When the light travels in a straight line, it hits the first mirror. Then the first mirror reflects the light onto the second mirror. Then the second mirror shines the light out so we can see through the milk carton.
An example of a periscope is the top of a submarine. Thanks for your time.
Good day everyone, we are from Múinteoir's class and we will present on the light spectrum and the Newton's discs.
Did you know that the 3D-shaped prism divides the color white into the 7 colors of the light spectrum?
The 7 colors of the light spectrum are red, orange, blue, green, yellow, indigo, and violet. And when they're all combined, they create white.
We use the Newton discs to experiment the light spectrum. Newton discs are able to create white light to represent the rainbow.
Newton's disc is a disc which has all 7 colors on it. The point of it is that if you spin it fast enough, it will let your eyes combine all the colors, thus creating white. Thank you very much for your attention. That will be it for our presentation.